These are some of the Artisan Lampwork beads that we'll be featuring in our Seven Sisters kits. I just wanted to show you them here. They're so pretty. All of them are this fantastic, soft matte finish. So they've been tumbled, and what that does is it gives them this like inner glow because they're not shiny on the outside, but the way the light bounces off of them, the color just seems to like radiate out from the center. We have lots of different colors to choose from. And when you're looking at these sets of beads, all of the sets have 7 beads. That's why we're calling them the Seven Sisters. But like sisters, you can tell that they're related, but they are not all the same. Each bead in the set is unique, and that I think is what's very cool about this project. I love how each bead has its own little details and how they work so nicely together as a set. For the project, we'll be pairing these with delicas. You'll be making your Seven Sisters necklace from one end to the other, so you'll start braiding down here, and we're going to have a color fade as we go. And then when you get to the first focal bead, you're going to stop your braid, take everything off the disc, and put this bead on. Don't worry if you haven't done it before. There are detailed instructions in your kit, and we also have a video showing how to do that elsewhere here on our YouTube channel. And you're just going to do that one bead at a time. And then when you get to the other end, just braid on until you're finished. We're going to have magnetic end caps on here, and then you'll stitch up your Peyote stitch end cap covers, and these are going to get glued on the end. I still have to finish my second one. Those will go just like that. The Seven Sisters Kumihimo necklace kits will be debuting later this week at designandadorn.com.